plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinitive an cos n pi x by L. So value of a0 is pi. So pi by 2 plus sigma 2 times 1 minus 1 raised to n upon pi into n square cos n into pi, cos nx. So here in a sigma 2 upon pi is common. So pi by 2 plus 2 upon pi sigma 1 minus 1 raised to n upon n square into cos nx. So this is our cosine series. So there is no sine function. So using this cosine series Fourier series formula, we convert our function into only cos function. So let one more for sine series example for exponential function e to the power x, limit is 0 to pi. So let first target is to find L. So 0 less or equal to L, less or equal to pi. So 0 and L equal to pi. So in our sine series formula, we require only Bn. So Bn is 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x sine n pi x by L into dx. F of x is e raised to x here. L equal to pi. So 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi e to the power x into sine nx dx. So since it is exponential and trigonometric function, so we require that formula e to the power ax into sine bx. So according to that formula, e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, a sine bx minus b cos bx. So this formula is 2 upon pi, x equal to pi, that is e raised to x, 1 plus 1 over n square, a equal to 1. So 1 into sine nx, b equal to pi. So minus n, b equal to n. So minus n cos nx, limit is 0 to 2 pi. So for upper limit pi, so let's put its value e to the power pi upon 1 plus n square. Sin n pi is 0. So minus 1. Cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n minus, put lower limit 0. E to the power 0 is 1. So 1 over 1 plus n square. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So it is minus n. So value of Bn is, let's take common, minus n is outside from the both term. So 2 times minus n, that is minus 2n upon pi into 1 plus n square. So remaining term, that is e to the power pi into minus 1 raised to n minus 1. It is value of our Bn, minus 2n upon pi 1 plus n square e to the power pi cos, it is n pi, that is e to the power pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So let's write down is sine series formula. So sine series formula is sigma Bn sine n pi x by L, that is sigma n equal to 1 to infinitive. Value of Bn is minus 2 by n pi 1 plus n square e to the power pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into sine n pi x by pi cancel. So and minus 2 by pi we can take outside. So sine series of our function, that is minus 2 by pi sigma n equal to 1 to infinitive minus 1 minus outside. So it is only n upon 1 plus n square e to the power pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1 sine nx. Here only 1 times minus occur because we already take minus 1 outside. So sigma n upon 1 plus n square e to the power pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1 sine nx. So using this Fourier cosine series and Fourier sine series, you can so evaluate for discontinuous function or piecewise continuous function. So for practice, let's find Fourier series of our f of x equal to mod x. Limit is minus 2 to 2. Mod x function gives us x when x is positive, and it gives us minus x when x is negative. So here mod x is even function. So to find in minus 2 to 2 of our even function, we require only a0 and an. bn goes to 0. Now second term is f of x equal to 1 minus x whole square minus 1 to 1. Now here 1 minus x whole square, which is not even and not odd function. So we require both a0, an and also bn also. All these three coefficient in our Fourier. Third example for practice, that is x plus mod x from minus pi to pi. We know that x is an odd function while mod x is an even function. So take the separate limit and evaluate this to addition of function x plus mod x. Let here third example, f of x equal to x from minus 1 to pi. 2 pi from x, it is pi to 1. It is minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. So change the limit formula for fourth one. F of x equal to x from minus pi to 0 to pi minus x from 0 to pi. It is 0 to pi. So this is 4 example of our Fourier series, and now another practice example for cosine series. So f of x equal to x minus 1 in our limit 0 less or equal to x less or equal to 1. F of x is e raised to x in our limit 0 to pi. So let's evaluate this cosine series for these two function. And let for sine series, f of x equal to x square plus x in 0 to pi, and f of x equal to e to the power minus x in our limit 0 to 1. So hence in this unit number 4 Fourier series, we find all this full range Fourier series and half range Fourier series in any interval. In first lecture series, we find interval from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2, 0 to 4 and so on with piecewise continuous function. In today's lecture, it is from minus pi to pi, minus 1 to 1, minus 2 to 2 and so on for exponential function also. And then half range cosine series and half range sine series. So our reference book, that is first course in mathematical analysis by D. Somsundaram and B. Chaudhary. Another for reference book you can also use by R. Bhatia and Advanced Mathematics H.K. Das and C. Chand. So thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.